The item I'm holding right now is our Composite plus Audio 1x4 splitter. Now, the part number for this is the R03-SPL-C5E-RWY-104B. Now, as you can see, it has 4 UTP ports on the front side, going to each receiver. On the back, it has a source input and a local output. And the local output could be used if you have a monitor on the same close to this, you want to see, or you can use this as cascading. Now, this unit, since it's a splitter, it will require power. Well, the receivers don't require power, but this one does require power because it's a splitter, and it uses the 5-volt 2-amp. Now, so for this setup, I will be using 3 monitors since I only have 3 now, and on each monitor I have a cable connected to it. Cables are connected to the monitors as regular composite cables. Are yellow, white, and red. And since this is composite, ours actually go up to 500 feet for 480p, which is composite itself. Now I have three spools. They're all 500 feet each. And I said 4, but since we have 3 TV, I'm only going to be using 3 to demo it. Now, for the receiver side, which you will be needing, we have 4 options. We have 2 wall plates, and they only differ in the back, the connection wise. One is punch down, one's RJ45. I will not be using this for today, but it does work with this if you have punch down. I'll be using the RJ45 instead. And we also have 2 box dials. One box dial is like this, and the other is a pigtail style with the actual cables coming out. So the 3 I'll be using right today will be wall plate with the JP, with the RJ45 port, a box dial, and a pigtail style. So first you will do is connect the splitter to the source, and since ours actually is color coded, just match it up. Connect it to the source input, so yellow to yellow, white to white, and red to red. And then also connect the power. So at the back end, you'll be like this. You'll see it like this. Once that's connected, you can start connecting your receivers to the output. Now, for this one, for the first monitor, I'll be using box dial. So, and again, these are also color coded. So red, yellow, white, and red, each of the corresponding colors. That's for that one. And let me just get a cable and plug it in. Show you. This is any 500-foot cable. I'll put it to any port right now. And same on this end. And what you do, notice coming on display. You can mute this for now. Now, for this one, I'll be using the wall plate. So like before, connect the colors, matching up the color coding. And this cable is connected to the monitor. And same thing, again, use another 500-foot cable. I'll plug it to any output. I'll plug it to, let's say, just 2 for now. And connect to the end. And notice, this one comes on also. No problems. And you mute this too. Now, lastly, I'll be using the pigtail style. Now, pigtail style, I'll be using the monitor in back of me. So, you notice these are also color coded. So you need to plug it into the color coding. And lastly, connect the cable. I'm also using another 500 feet, and I'll plug to any port you want, let's say 3. So plug it in, and then plug the last one in here, like so, and then turn on the power. Depending on what AV it is, just switch to the AV you set it connected to. And there you go. Now, as you notice, all three right now is playing. All three right now is playing video. And let me unmute these audios.
Is Antarctic dreaming.
As you can see, the sound on each one is pretty good. Here, you mute this. Mute this one and this one. That one sounds good. Mute this one.
In the wildest place.
This one's good too. And there you go. And you notice, you mute all these three. And you notice the video for each of these are pretty good, are perfect. No problems, no errors, no flashing or blinking. And let me reiterate, for these I'm using 500 feet each. Since it's composite, it's 500 feet. And I'm using 3 different receiver units. A box style, a R03-45 wall plate style, and a picto style. But we also have a 4th style, which is just a 110 punch down wall plate. But I haven't been using that because we don't have the monitor for it. And you notice I have connected ports right now 2, 3, and 4. But if I switch like any one of these to port 1, still comes up. So all 4 ports work with audio too.